Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro shop parts department here. One thing that we always try and focus on here at the Figaro shop is ensuring that all of our customers have got replacement parts for their cars for the next conceivable years. And as time goes on, Nissan, unfortunately they have to, discontinue one part after the other. And sometimes it could be 2 or 3 a month, it could be 1 a year, it could be something really, really important. And this one, I'm afraid, is one of them. It is the front grille indicators. Now, Nissan discontinued the left ones, I believe, about a year ago, and the right ones about 6 months ago. So that's it. We've got a couple of original ones left, and this is probably quite a good one. But if you zoom in, this is what happens to them. You'll get impact damage from stone chips that cracks them, and then water gets into them. Before you know it, they're not usable. And just to clarify where these go, this is your front grille, and these clip into your front grille. You give them a quarter turn, and they lock in. So what we've managed to do, and luckily, these were actually discontinued not so long ago, but we've managed to persuade the manufacturer to remanufacture them, are the crystal indicators. Now, if you look at the difference between the two, in the lens, these have got this like hazing on the inside, and these are like this crystal design. If you look, this one, I don't know if you can zoom in on there, has an orange filter on the inside, and this one doesn't. So we now supply them with orange bulbs, so you get that look. So you have a clear crystal front indicator with an orange bulb. Fitting them is super, super simple. It's as easy as twisting this out the front grille. And if you look, these little ears here that lock it into the front grille, you twist and you can pull these out, unplug the bulb holder. The bulb holder itself, again, it's just a quarter turn and out it comes. You pull the bulb out, you replace the bulb with the orange bulb. You click the same bulb holder back into your new bulb and put this in. They're sided, so if you look on the back, that's a left, and this one here is a right. Put them on the left and right respectively. Click them. If you find that it's too tight to turn, it could be build up on the front grille, whatever. This rubber seal is removable, and you can refit the original rubber seal to make it easier. They do fit. You can actually put a tiny bit of fairy liquid. Sometimes helps because they're a really, really tight fit to stop them rattling. Now, as a product, these are available on our website. They come as a pair. They come with the 2 orange bulbs included. So head over to our website, which is www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk. Put in grille indicators into the search, and these will come straight up. Thank you very much.